Hi students, this is our second science review period video. Already I sent you one related to the motion lesson we have seen. I hope that you are doing because still most of the people have not sent the video to that email ID. Better send it out. Okay. Now let us see what has to be written in the review period of the lesson matter in our surroundings. Yeah. So in your content book, in that exercises, refer page number 12. In page number 12, in question number 369, read out the question number 369 and find out the answer in your content book and write down in the classwork. So this is what the first Roman letter which you wanted to written in the classwork. Yeah. Second Roman letter, define the following terms. So whatever the things have been given here, for that all you have to write the definition in the classwork. Yeah. And the third Roman letter, you have to write an activity to find out the boiling point and melting point, boiling point of the water and melting point of an ice. It is a simple activity. In the lower class itself you people have learned, so better try to do the activity. Do in the sense, remind that activity and write down the procedures and everything and the diagram in the classwork. Yeah. Then you have the fourth Roman letter. So this fourth Roman letter should not be written in the classwork. It has to be written in the homework notebook. So this is nothing but only the give reason questions. Okay. Look at the first question. You want to wear your favorite shirt to a party, but the problem is that it is still wet after a wash. What step would you take to dry it faster? So think and write answer in the homework notebook. Yeah. Look at the second question. Why a balloon kept in a sun burst after some time? It's a very easy question. Write on the answer in the homework notebook. People sprinkle water on open ground or roof on a hot sunny day. Why? Think it. Why do people in villages use earthen pots in summer to cool water? Yeah, already you have learned the reason for this question in the class 6 itself. So I think it's very simple for you to write on the answer. Think and write on the answer. Out of honey or ink, which will diffuse faster and why? So I hope you know answer for these all this question. Think and write this answer for all these 5 questions in the homework notebook. The remaining first three Roman letters are there, no? First one, exercise book questions. Second Roman letter definition, and the third Roman letter an activity to determine the boiling point of water and melting point of ice. These three alone has to be answers for these 3 Roman letters has to be written in the classwork, and the fourth Roman letter answers has to be written in homework. Okay children, do it properly. Actually most of the people have not yet sent the classwork pics to the mail edustar.9@gmail.com. Please send it out as earlier. Only then it will be easy for you to follow the next class review period, next subject review period video. Okay children, bye. Do it properly, write neatly and send it. Thank you children.